Hello, everyone. I'm Emily Bermudez. Welcome to my live, and thank you for being here tonight. I want to share my real daily routine as an OFW caregiver. And maybe some of you can relate, especially those working abroad. So, my day starts very early the moment I wake up. My first priority is preparing breakfast for the elder I take care of. We do breakfast together anyway. After that, I wash her, dress her, fix her hair, and other things I cannot put all in details. You know what I mean. Then put her room in order. Some days I also need to give her medication, although on the other days, the nurse come to handle it. Once she's settled, I usually run to buy bread because here in Italy, they used to eat bread. Then I start my real mission for the day, cleaning. And when I say cleaning, I mean cleaning everything. I want the whole house fresh and organized as if it is my own. So I really dedicate time to it every day, every single day. I have my mind fixed in cleaning. After that, I prepare lunch for both of us. We eat, talk, exchange conversations, and then, yes, you guess it, I go back to finish cleaning. When I finally get a moment to rest, I either walk outside to breathe fresh air, pagala-gala sa mga stores, window shopping, palipas oras, or minsan bibili talaga, hindi makatiis na titingin lang. Or I spend time or many times connecting with my family, relatives, and friends back home. Being a digital business owner, I use my break also to prepare posts for my Facebook page or watch our trainings, masterminds, or just anything that helps me grow, learn, and improve myself. Sometimes I am lazy too to do it, but it's not good. In the evening, we pray the Holy Rosary together with the elder lady while watching the transmission from Lourdes. It's a beautiful moment for both of us. While praying, my hands are usually busy doing crochet. Multitasking queen, right? I will show you what I have started. Just to show you, it was my first time that I did this. Pot holder. I learned doing it here, and then the other one, and I'm starting the other part of it. So that's it. Okay. I don't know, but I can stay doing nothing when I'm just seated. So I enjoy learning something new and useful. Thankful because I was formed in that way when I was still inside, and I love it. So after prayer time, I prepare dinner and then assist her after to go to bed. Once she's settled, the remaining part of my evening, I dedicate it to myself, beauty care, chatting with friends, and then preparing my posts or studying or reading or something like that. Of course, there are days that I feel nonstop when there are extra things to be done, like doing groceries or doing some errands. But there are also calm days. That's life as a caregiver, full of love, patience, dedications, and responsibility. And on my day off, I focus first on my spiritual life, going to church, pray and recharge. Then the rest is spending time in traveling when is possible, meeting friends, and connecting with other OFWs. Those moments help me feel alive and supported. And I'm so grateful because I feel fortunate and blessed. So that's my daily routine. Simple, tiring sometimes, but full of purpose. So once again, thank you for listening and for being part of this journey with me. If you are an OFW or caregiver too, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your daily life. Sending you all love and see you tomorrow to our next Go Live challenge. Good night to everybody and thank you for all of your messages and to all my business partners, to Paris, to Jang, Melvina, to Ate Agnes. Wait a minute, I don't want to lost somebody here. Okay, and to all those who are watching here, so thank you for your patience and good night. Bye.